Hi, my name's Steve Struyk. I took this photograph last summer in July at Echo Bluff State Park, and it was hot as blazes and humid. And so I'd get up early in the morning and went to the pond there in the park in abundance of dragonflies. And when I took this, I didn't realize exactly what I had. And I got back to the camper and looked at it on my computer and realized that the detail on the wing is just amazing. And I put it on Facebook and shared it there, and my niece said, "Oh, it's nature stained glass." And I said, "That's it. That's what I call it. Nature stained glass on metal."